you followed this channel for a while, you know that my tractor was in a bit of an accident. So now we took it into the shop to fix it. First thing we're gonna do is to remove all the windows. We're not just fixing what broke, we're doing a total rebuild, so we're fixing a bunch of other things too. Like the throttle adjuster thing is not good, so we're gonna make a pedal instead. And then we're gonna do a bunch of other upgrades and just make it like top notch. Now I'm looking for some paint or something that cracked, because that means the frame is twisted. And here, this isn't a good spot either. Here, crack, crack. Here you can see even more cracks. Because I think, let's see if I can compensate for the little end. But this thing, it's hard to see probably on camera, but it's I think it's twisted. So we got to, you can see here too. This is supposed to look like that. Not supposed to look like that. So we're just gonna continue. Now I figured out that it got bent. To be bent back, we gotta be pushed this way, which is a little weird because it tipped on this side, so I assumed it would be weird to that side and it needs to be pulled, but it's kind of visible actually when you know it, at least in real life. You probably don't show some camera, but fixable. Yeah, and a little support. That thing cracked.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
I think that is gonna be what everything we did today. I think we're done for today. I need to get a new starter rope. I got one in town that we're picking up, installing. That wasn't related to the tip over those in front wheel thing. Or maybe because when I would try to start it later, the rope broke. So yeah, we removed that, removed some windows, started to straighten up the frame, or we know what we got to do to straighten up the frame. Yeah, so we'll be back